Hello traders, it's your one and only forex skill coach Team Legend, and you're welcome to the Bullish Bear Academy. If this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't get exempted whenever I post awesome strategies to win in the financial markets. In this channel, we keep posting ways to win in the financial markets. We post strategies to win in the boom and crash market and volatilities and currency pairs and all. So you don't want to miss a thing. So hit the subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell. Alright, thank you very much. If you've done that, I'm grateful. Oh, okay. A spike has just occurred. Okay, let me see how much profit for now. Okay. As anticipated, a spike just occurred while I was making introduction. Okay, so okay, that's cool. Let me see. Wow, it was a very long spike. Okay, all right, so let me go back to where I was. All right, so if you have subscribed to my channel, that's good. Thank you very much. And the next thing you want to do right now is to go straight to the description below and click the Telegram channel link and join our Telegram right now. Okay, join the Telegram channel. As you can see, we are 634 in number right now. As of last week, we were 400 plus. Okay, so this means we are really increasing every day by day, because in this channel all we do is win. All right, as you can see in this channel, I post signals that you don't want to miss, signals to buy and sell in the VIX market, the boom and crash markets. And I also post my analysis. Whenever I make analysis for trades, I do post to keep all the traders updated of what they should be expecting in the market. So you don't want to miss out a thing, traders. You don't want to miss out anything. Make sure you go straight to the description right now so you don't forget. Join the Telegram channel, then come back and watch the video you're watching. Okay, so let's go straight to the business of today, traders. Now this is a very powerful strategy that I and the entire Bullish Bear team have been working on lately. Okay, we've been working on it because we want to make sure we bring out something real and genuine for all of you, and that's why you want to make sure you don't miss out even the next video that will be coming out. Okay, let me take my profit for now. All right, so as you can see, is a real account, so we're not joking here. Okay, it's a serious business and you don't want to miss out a thing. So traders, now here is a strategy. The first thing you want to observe when you come into the markets is where is, oh, another spike just occurred after I've taken my profit. Oh shit, man, let me see how long that, oh, that was very long too. After taking my profit, another spike occurred, because I just want to make sure that I'm free to give you guys what I want to give you here. Okay, so let the spikes do what they want to do. All right, we're training now, so I want you to make sure you stay focused on this training. Okay, don't miss out a thing. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out the next video. Okay, because from time to time we're gonna make sure that we keep updating you guys. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. Now the first thing you want to observe when you come into the market is, where is the market going to currently? Is it going up or is it coming down? All right, so as you can see at this junction, the market came down. All right, and then what happened? And it is now going back up. All right, but normally, all right, this is a full down trending market. Okay, this is a full down trending market. If you look at it, all right, we're gonna zoom it down like this. You see, it's a down trending market. Okay, you don't need somebody to tell you that. But what we're doing right now is we're scalping the, we're trying to make some, we're trying to make it look like we're scalping the daily markets. Okay, so you zoom level, in case I forget, the zoom level is from the lowest. You take it up 1 and take it up 2. Okay, that's what we're working with. Okay, so it's just like we want to scalp the daily markets. That's what we're doing here right now. So we want to do the thing we call scalping. That is, when it goes up, you buy, you sell. When it comes down, you do what? You buy. Okay, but on the normal phase of trading, you want to always make sure that you trade. Since it's a downtrend, you trade going short. Okay, so in this case right now, we're scalping the daily time frame. Now you're gonna use this indicator, all right, these two indicator to identify where the market is going to at the moment. So with this red line, this red moving average, we can see that when the market got to the overbought level in the daily time frame, and it went straight down to the oversold level, right? And now what do you see happening? Is coming up back to the overbought level. And what do you expect right now? We're expecting this market in the daily time frame to keep going up, till it gets to the overbought level and then begin to retrace back down, isn't it? So currently now we know where the market is going to in the boom 1000 markets. So the next thing you want to do is you want to hop straight into the 15-minute time frame, because this strategy, it works with the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so you want to hop straight into the 15-minute time frame and then begin to observe what's happening here right now. Okay, so as you can see, these are the sparks. All right, so now the first indicator, the main chart, tells us, is giving us a signal that it's time to buy more than sell. All right, the reason why we were checking on the daily time frame where the market is going to is because we want to trade along with the trend. You don't trade against the trend. Okay, if you want to win in the forex market, you have to make sure that you trade along with the trend. Okay, so now we know that the market is going up. So the next thing we want to do right now is to do what? Make more of buying opportunities than sellings. Okay, so we go back to the 15-minute time frame. All right, we go over to the 15-minute time frame, and then we look out at the two moving averages here. When the green moving average crosses the yellow one downward, all right, and the market is above it, then you look forward to buy. Okay, and when you see it cross over each other above the markets, you look forward to selling opportunities. Okay, as you can see at these junctions, you see they were below the market and it was busy buying, and at this junction it was below the market, above the market, and the market was selling. Okay, this was where it made the crossover. Okay, so that's the first indicator. Right now there's been a crossover below the markets, so that's why you see us, we are buying, right? So the next thing you want to look at is the indicator window 2. What is it saying? What is it quoting? And now if you look well, we have 3 moving averages here. Okay, we have what? 3 moving averages here. So now the yellow and the blue moving average you see here are faster than the red one. The red one is an indicator to tell us where the market is actually going at the moment. Okay, so the market is actually going upward according to the red moving average here. Okay, so since it's going upward, we're looking forward to more of buying opportunities, and at the same time this indicator, the blue and the yellow one, has come down to the oversold level, and now they are busy buying upward. So when they get to the overbought level, we're going to look forward to selling. All right, but if you remember what I said, you want to trade along with the market. The market is in an uptrend currently, so meaning you should look forward to more of buying than selling. If you want to sell anytime, you have to make sure you take out at least 1 or 2 candlesticks. Okay, as you can see, it's a 15-minute time frame, so 2 candlesticks is like 30 minutes. All right, so don't take more than that, because you could be caught in a spike since it's an uptrend. Okay, so the next indicator window, all right, the next indicator window is the relative strength index having some other indicators inside of it. All right, how I use this more is like this. I take it up like this, I take this up, I take this up, okay, because this one at this moment is not so much relevant to me, because this is where I want to focus on, right? So traders, now the next indicator we want to look at is this, the window 3. Now we have the pink and the green moving average going upward, and now they are in the overbought level, okay. And then we have the red moving average is the fastest among them. That's why you can see that it has gotten down before all the ones and is already going up before other ones, okay. So what you want to do is to make sure that now that this market is in the overbought level, I don't expect you to sell now until you find out that the pink and the green moving average curves downward, coming down. Let it curve downward, coming down, before you place sells, as it's still here at this junction. Is not a time for you to sell until it starts coming downward, to prove that, okay, I'm ready to sell now, okay. And we have the envelope indicator, which is the yellow line you're seeing beneath here and above here. All right, so you want to make sure that you want to make sure that the 3 moving averages touches the envelope, or they have to touch the envelope coming downward before you place a sell. If it doesn't touch the envelope, don't place a sell. There could still be another spike, okay. And let's take a quick back test. At this junction, you get to notice that the market, the 3 moving averages touched the envelope, okay, and then it proved a real buying opportunity, which we bought so long, as you can see, okay, which we bought so long till now it has gotten, which we bought so long until now it has gotten to the overbought level at last, but it hasn't proved fully overbought until it starts curving downward. All right, why the red moving average here is the fastest among all, so it could go up and it could come down anytime. As you can see, at this junction it has already gotten up before others and is already coming down before others, and it's about going back up before others. So you want to focus much more on the green and the pink lines, okay. You want to focus much more on those two. As you can see, at this junction, the 3 moving average is touching the envelope, proved a real selling opportunity downward, okay. So you need to focus on those indicators, all right. And while you're focusing on them, you're also focusing on this one, making sure that this one too has proved its own. As you can see, it proved touching the overbought level even before this one's proved yes, okay. If you get to see, you get to notice that at this junction it has proved it, but we need to wait for more confirmation, and that's where we found confirmations from this area, all right, and coming downward from this area. This is where you should buy from. This is where you should buy from, okay, and then sell from, and then you sell all the way long, all the way, all right, to the oversold level, okay. So this indicator will prove you first, telling you it's time, is almost getting time to sell, and then you're waiting for this one to confirm it. If this one is not able to confirm it, it's not a genuine one. It could be a ranging period. It could be an ingenuine trend, okay. So you want to make sure the 2 indicators quotes the same thing before you take a decision, okay. And at the same time, this one, you have to always make sure you watch out for this one, okay. If you get a notice, traders, look very well. This one proved overbought already here, this one proved overbought here, and then this one crossed over the other itself at this junction, all right, proving overbought here at the same line with this one. So you get to see the distance between this one. So this one is telling you, get ready, it's time to sell soon, but this one needs to approve it, okay. So these are 3 indicators giving you 3 different three indicators giving you approvals of what decision to make. Okay, so now the next indicator you want to look at is the stochastic indicator. It has the ADX inside of it. Now the ADX indicator, whenever is going downward, the market is going upward. So you want to make sure that the ADX crosses over sold level, which is 70, crosses over it, and then begins to come down to prove a buying opportunity. Okay, and at the same time, okay, if you get to see it again, it happened here again, crossing the oversold level. All right, it mustn't necessarily touch the 85.95, but the fact is it must cross over the 70. Okay, and when it crossed it and coming downward, there was a buying opportunity. Okay, and at this junction, you see these markets. Okay, you see these markets doing what? Proving a buying opportunity too. If you drag it back, you get to notice that the three of them have touched the envelope. Okay, so you just need to be careful, traders. You need to be careful, because sometimes you take it forward, you get to see something else. Sometimes you take it backward, you get to see something else. You just need to be extremely careful. Okay, that's just the way we saw the markets. That's just the way we see the app and its indicators working. Okay, so there's no way to fix that kind of confusion, but it's just for you to always make sure. That's why you have all the indicators giving you multiple confirmations to prove the right time to enter a market. Okay, so you want to be careful. Sometimes you get to see the approval here, sometimes you need to move it forward before you see the approval, but you just need to be careful, trader. So always make sure you use this indicator, use this strategy on your demo severally, so that you get to understand where the market proves genuine, whether here or here or here. All right, so make sure you use it on your demo. Don't just hop straight into your real account, so you don't blow your account and come and tell me, hey Team Legend, your strategy blew my account. Oh, that's a nonsense news, and I'm not even gonna listen to you when you come to tell me that. So this is another opportunity to buy. Okay, a buying opportunity here, proved it. This guy here proved it, and this guy proved it. Okay, another buying opportunity. Okay, and then also whenever the ADX crosses over 30, coming up proves a selling opportunity. A selling opportunity. You see selling. Whenever it's up, proving going down. Whenever it's up going down, it's proving a buying opportunity, and whenever it's down going up, it's proving a sell opportunity. Okay, so let's go straight to the boom 500. Boom 500. Boom 500 currently. What did I say? The first thing you want to do, go to your daily time frame and check what's happening in the daily time frame. Now the red moving average here has gotten to an oversold level and is proving up. So I guess in this trade right now, you should be looking more to buying than selling. So on the other hand, we should be looking more to catching spikes. Okay, we should be looking more to catching spikes. Okay, catching spikes. All right, so if you go to the 15-minute time frame, we get to notice that this market has been going up. So we should be looking more to catching spikes than candlesticks. Okay, traders, so you need to be careful. So we go straight to the 15-minute time frame, and then here it has gotten to the overbought level. All right, the red moving average is already on its way coming out, but you want to make sure that you allow the market to keep playing this game and let the green and the pink moving average come out. The three of them have touched the envelope, but they need to prove fully for you to enter by coming out of the line. All right, the 80 line. This one has also proved it that it's time to sell, right? But you are not sure until this one proves its own. These two moving average haven't crossed each other yet, so you need to be careful. Okay, and then at the same time, the ADX has crossed the 30 level, coming up to prove a selling opportunity, okay? But you need to make sure you allow this one to also confirm it. Let the three indicators make their confirmations, trader, before you do anything. Is important. Patience is the key. For the more you wait and allow it to get to the right time for you to place your sell or buy, is important. Is really worth it than entering anytime and blow your account if you care is not taking. A spike could occur anytime. So we want to go straight to the crash market. Okay, there's one more thing that you need to know about this yellow ADX movement here. Whenever this ADX yellow line crosses over 30 upward, you want to make sure you allow it to begin to come down. When it's coming down, you can take one candlestick or two candlesticks. Okay, if we take a quick observation here, you get to see that when it crossed over the line and started coming down, you could have fetched like one candlestick is 15 minutes. Okay, one candlestick or two. All right, the same thing happened here. When it crossed over 30 coming down, you could fetch like one or two candlesticks. But you don't want to be greedy, trader. One candlestick you get off the market after, because you know for sure that it hasn't proved something right for you, so you need to be careful. Okay, so that's just for scalping one or two candlesticks if you want to use it. If not, just focus on the main ones. Okay, so I just put it there for extra making of money, but don't be greedy. Okay, let's go to the crash markets. All right, don't be in a haste because the video is kind of getting long. Don't just be in a haste. Learn it well, okay, so that you use it properly. And if you begin to use it and you get to observe anything new that you could suggest to us, make sure you chat me up on my Telegram channel or my DM. Okay, the link is also on the description. You can chat me up and tell me what you observe more so that we can improve it for everyone to keep winning. So this one in the crash market, you want to first of all observe from the daily time frame what is happening. The market is actually going up, right? So this one has gotten to oversold level and is buying up, so it's a good time to buy more candlesticks. Okay, then selling in the crash market, you buy candlesticks. What then spikes. Okay, we go to the 15-minute time frame. So when you go to the 15-minute time frame, you want to observe these two have proved overbought, going to sell, right? That's to catch some few spikes, right? This one has touched the envelope, but you want to make sure that you allow them to come down before you place your sell. Okay, if not, if it doesn't come down, don't sell. It's dangerous. After all, the market is actually a buying opportunity more than selling, so you need to be careful. In the crash market, this indicator here could be complicated. Okay, it could be a bit complicated, so you don't want to look at this one at this time. But if you want to look at it a bit, you get to also notice that it's working opposite of the boom, because in the boom, whenever it's coming down here, the market is going up. But now you can see that as it's coming down, the market too is coming down. So in order for you not to forget or get confused, you could just leave this one and focus more on this ones. Okay, focus more on this ones. You see the market, the two moving average crossing each other below the market proved a buying opportunity. This one buying opportunity. This one you want to take it back a bit to see. That's why you need to be very careful, traders. Okay, so it's a very simple strategy just for you to follow the simple rules and you see yourself winning, trader. So I want you to keep running this thing on your demo. Keep using it on your demo. Keep observing anything you see new. Chat me up on Telegram. Give me information so that we can keep improving it. All right, is for all of us, so we keep winning. All right, now the next thing you want to talk about now is the settings. Now the settings, I'm not gonna give you the settings here because the settings have already been uploaded in our Telegram channel. Okay, so just go straight to the Telegram channel. Go to the link in the description below. Once you go to the now the next thing is the settings. Okay, the settings for these indicators. All right, so to get the settings, you need to go to my Telegram channel. It has already been posted there. That's why you need to join this channel, because most times I post things here first. I give them information of what I'm about to do before I do it. I've posted the settings here. Right, this is the zip file. What you want to do is go straight to the Telegram channel and click on it and download it. Once you download it, you open the zip file on your phone. All right, and then you get to see the settings. All right, all of them are in a photo. Okay, so in case if you join the channel and it maybe it has gone so up that you couldn't find it, what you want to do is to go to the back end of the channel and then go to files. Once you go to files, okay, there you will see it's the Jetwing strategy zip file. You just want to click on it and download it. Okay, these are some indicators and PDFs I post that you want to also make sure you check out on, so don't miss out. Join the Telegram channel. Come get the settings right here. Is here for you, trader. Come get it and unzip it and then get straight to using it. All right, I posted it in earlier for them, but I didn't post it all because I was still working on the strategy. Okay, this is for the main chart. That's the moving average, 32 and 10. Okay, you can see it there. So that's that. This is it, 32 period, then this is it. Okay, but I didn't post it all, so to get it fully, this is it. So just go straight to our Telegram channel and grab it there. All right, trader. So that's that for that. All right, for the meantime, I remain your one and only forex skill coach. Don't forget to subscribe, all right, and share and like. Thank you very much.